This week, we shall dive into various strategies that a leader should utilize. So, what is a personal development strategy? And how can you develop yours? Let's look into it. Your personal development strategy is a roadmap for your growth journey. It guides you through the twists and turns of life, ensuring you stay on the path to becoming the best version of yourself. One popular and effective framework you can use is the GROW model. This model, often used in coaching, can help you set and achieve personal development goals systematically. The GROW model consists of 4 key stages: goal, reality, options, and the way forward. Each stage guides you through a critical aspect of your development journey. Number 1, goal. Define what you want to achieve. Start by setting clear, specific goals. These should be something you genuinely want to achieve and are passionate about. Think of it as your destination. Specific. What exactly do you want to accomplish? It needs to be measurable. How will you know when you have achieved it? Achievable. Is it realistic given your current situation? And is it relevant? Does it align with your long-term objectives? It also needs to be time-bound. When do you want to achieve it? Let's look at an example. You might set a goal to improve your public speaking skills within 6 months. Number 2, reality. Understand your current situation. Assess your current situation honestly. This stage is about self-awareness and understanding where you stand in relation to your goal. What is your current skill level? What are the strengths you can leverage? What are the obstacles or challenges you face? For instance, if your goal is to improve public speaking skills, evaluate your current ability. Have you had any experience speaking in front of an audience? What feedback have you received in the past? Number 3, options. Explore your choices. Brainstorm the various options and strategies you can use to achieve your goal. This is the creative part of the process where you explore different paths and solutions. What are the possible ways to achieve your goal? Who can help you or provide mentorship? What resources like books, courses, workshops are available to you? For improving public speaking, your options might include joining a local Toastmasters club, taking an online course, practicing with friends, or hiring a coach. Number 4, the way forward. Develop an action plan. Decide on the specific steps you will take to move towards your goal. This is your action plan, and it should be detailed and actionable. What steps will you take first? What timeline will you follow? How will you track your progress? What potential obstacles might arise? And how will you really address them? For example, your action plan for public speaking might include joining Toastmasters, setting a schedule to practice weekly, and seeking feedback from peers after each speech. Using a structured framework like the GROW model helps you stay focused and organized. It encourages continuous movement, a key attribute of successful leaders. By setting clear goals, understanding your current reality, exploring various options, and developing a concrete action plan, you can navigate your personal development journey with confidence and clarity. Start crafting your personal development strategy today. Not only will it propel your growth, but it will also elevate your leadership to new heights. So that was your leadership tip for today.